Stop frying plantain the regular way. So today we are making delicious plantain frittata. It's soft, juicy, and packed with flavor. Hello everyone. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Please, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, drop your amazing comment, and always come back for more. So let's get started. So for this, I'm going to be using my beef, my eggs, my plantain, my spring onions, carrots. You want to start by cutting them into your desired shape. Heat up for oil and then start by frying them. So first, you slice the ripe plantain and fry until it's golden brown, not too dark, just that perfect golden color, just as you can see. Feel free to cut it to any shape of your choice. I choose to use this round shape because of what I intend to achieve. So when that is ready, once the plantain is ready, you remove the excess oil but keep the pan on a low heat. In the same pan, you pour in your week's egg. Now you gently arrange your fried plantain on top and your nicely chopped tomatoes. You can also use bell peppers, carrots, sweet corn, anything you like, but I use just sweet carrots here. So you nicely arrange everything. Don't forget, I already had beef, so I just added everything. I mean, what's plantain frittata without beef? Don't forget, when you are arranging all of this, your fire is on a low heat, so you cover and let it cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes. This helps the egg set properly without burning. Once it's fully set, you can flip carefully if you like, or leave it as it is. Trust me, leaving it as it is the goal. So I left it just like that, and you gently transfer it to your plate, slice it like pizza, serve with your favorite drink, and enjoy. Oh my god, it's been a long time I did voiceover. Please like, follow me, and always come out for more. Bye guys.